Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today as usual. The XRP weekly chart. A breath of fresh air. I love to look at because you can fit the entire XRP price history onto one 1080 pixel Asus monitor. Guys, make sure before you do anything, smash the likes down below. Hit the subscribe and the post notifications to stay up to date with the daily videos on the Cobb channel with your daily XRP updates. So, I don't care what asset class you're talking about. You can't go sideways forever. Unless it's a rug pull scam coin, you cannot go sideways forever. Note back here. This is something really important because I was watching XRP back here, but I was still pending my first buy because, let me know in the comments, guys. I mean, how many of you guys tried to buy, like, back here, man? And these days, oh my God, buying XRP was like pulling teeth. It's not like how it is today. Even with the, fraudulent XRP delistings from, SEC lawsuits, you can still get around pretty good and purchase yourself a bag of XRP. But back here, oh my God. If you could buy XRP back here, I mean, I feel like back in these price levels, they were like trying to stop you from buying XRP. I swear to God, it was the hardest thing ever. I'm a freaking noob to crypto. I'm making a Kraken account, which did get compromised 3 months after I took off my assets and moved them off to a ledger. Yeah, that exchange account actually got hacked. All right. And, it's just back then I was pending like a 2-week transfer and I couldn't freaking buy any XRP back here. Like I was literally watching XRP go up as soon as I wanted to buy it. Okay. I didn't even get it until 20 cents, but still thankful I got in at those prices. And the thing is that it was just so hard to buy XRP back here. But anyways, the point being, like you can't just go sideways forever. It's just not how these markets work. Eventually, it's going to break up or down. I remember seeing on xrpchat.com, which is since kind of a really dead XRP forum website. Before XRP Twitter was really a thing, XRP chat was pretty much the only place you could go and talk XRP. And that's where I started posting my first YouTube videos. And that's how I grew my YouTube channel today. It was from xrpchat.com or .net maybe. But it's basically, it's the XRP chat forums. And I don't know, eventually they kind of turned into a cesspool. When XRP got, sued by the SEC and brought down to like less than 20 cents a coin after hitting 80 cents, they literally were calling me like a no better than a BitConnect ringleader. So since then, it's really just a dead platform. No one uses it anymore. XRP Twitter has essentially taken over. But back then, I remember seeing an XRP chat post. This is a true story. And a guy, basically, he drew out this chart, right? He just drew out a triangle and said like, hey, breakout soon. And it was a really long thread. And basically the triangle on the post just looked like this. It was just like that. And then you know what? People started screenshotting his technical analysis and they took it and they went like this. Like, oh no, it's called this is called the XRPL pattern where it's just going to keep going sideways. I kid you not, there was a post. People in the comments were taking the picture and just drawing like a never ending flat line. And then, wow. They were proven wrong, and yeah, you guys know what happened. That's history right there. That is absolute history right there. Okay, I'm trying to find the measuring tool, which is right there, right? What happened? Half a penny to $3.33, 58,000%. You can't go sideways forever. Guys, you can't go sideways forever. And what's weird is that this same thing right here, it's just getting repeated again, but it's much, much longer this time. But you can't go sideways forever, guys. I'm going to show you right now the $11 game plan here that I'm seeing. Because I was just looking at the weekly chart today and just going, you know what? Like, dude, I'm envisioning something right now. So right now, XRP is at a very historically crucial level. Stated this many times why it's crucial. It was literally the old all-time high close on the weekly chart. This used to be like an all-time high XP price. This used to be like when XRP was 33 cents. People were fucking blown away on the forums that was even possible. Okay? And then you got old bear market support, old bear market resistance, stopped like 5 pumps, and then became the very same level that we broke through. Came back under because of the SEC, but we still had the spirit of the XRP community, and pending the SEC litigation, we still blasted through to $2 a coin. This is a very, very significant level we are now currently double bottoming at. And you go to the hourly chart, okay, like it's going sideways there too, and it tried to break out of the sideways formation, broke all the support, and then XRP immediately said absolutely not, and just went for a V formation, which on the higher time frames, what is a V formation on the higher time frames? It's just wick. So basically the bears just tried to test this crucial level, and they're failing, which tells me something like this can play out. The first step, okay? The first step is going to be, we got to get that 45-cent push. The 45-cent push has got to be there. We got to get to it, right? We got to get there. Once we get the 45-cent push, we get the inevitable pullback of everyone crying and screaming that, oh my God, it's a bear market. XRP's going down to nothing, right? And then after that, what's the next thing we have in store for us? There's a big overhead resistance trend line that we have to battle. We're going to have to fight this level with everything we got, because essentially that right there is the only thing keeping us from breaking new all-time high. And I know there's all this discussion about, oh, we're in a bear market. Oh my God, no, it's a bear market. The pump's over, the bull run's over. I don't think it's over, dude. Okay? This right here is a bear market. 2 years of utter despair. And then people go, oh, what this? Less than a year of dropping? No, I'm just not buying it that we're in a bear market yet. Maybe for Bitcoin, but I do believe a true alt season is along the way. So here's the thing. We get this double bottom bounce, break this previous 38-cent level, run to the mid 40-ish cents range. Everyone's going to get super euphoric. It's going to be like, oh my God, the pump's back. We're almost at 50 cents a coin. We're halfway to $1. Let's go. And then like the scam drop comes in, right? It's going to come in right down there. Believe we're going to bounce off this level. And keep in mind, we have mountains of liquidity sitting in here for the big boys to come and grab. Next thing in store for us is after we get the little fake out, we can blast all the way to $1.10, $1.20 a coin, okay? It seems like this is unreasonable, and I'm just, shooting shit out of my ass going like, oh my God, yeah, I think it's going to do this, but realize how big of a gap you have in the market, and the market is always going to fill gaps, okay? The market is always going to move in waves, okay? Markets never go straight up. They never go straight down. They're always moving in waves, trying to find a little equilibrium. And, sometimes we're on the bottom end of the wave and people just go like, oh my God, it's a bear market. And then what do you know? It's got to try to find itself an equilibrium, and it just keeps doing this. I mean, I know it's not exactly this because overall, over time, it's going to keep, trending up. But you pretty much get the point. What I just drew out here, I know it's scuffed, but look at the XRP chart, dude. It's just running in waves. And it pumps, and it dumps, and people think it's a scam, and it pumps. People think it's the greatest investment of all time, and then it dumps, and then it gets the fake bounce, and it dumps again. Then it gets a scam pump from Binance. And then it gets like a year of boring consolidation, and then it drops even lower, and it's scaring everyone. Then all of a sudden we blast off further. We pump back down. Or pump down, Jesus. I mean, I dump. There's no such thing as pumping back down. But yeah, we dump back down. Run back up again. Can't reach the same high. Play around for a little bit. Terra Luna happens. We all crash and burn. Market's always going to move in waves. We are inevitably waiting for the next wave. This is what I think it's going to look like. I'm not saying the vertical time axis is going to be exact. Like, I'm not saying this is going to happen October 17th. This could be on a much slimmer vertical kind of frame where this happens quicker or it happens longer. I'm not sure. But this is what I can see playing out for us right now. Next thing in store for us is we got to test and make sure that this zone is valid. Because if in the next few weeks here, we can rip it and fill these gaps, because guys, the market is always going to fill gaps. Gap filled. Gap here, filled. Little gap there, filled. Gap here, waiting to be filled. Look at this one. Gap, filled. Gap, halfway filled. Mega pump, super big gap, filled. A gap, if you don't understand, it's when the market moves straight up or straight down. That's a gap. How markets are really supposed to move naturally is just going to be, you know, something like this, right? That's just kind of like healthy. But when you go straight down, dude, you've got dollar signs all up in here. You got liquidity all up in there. You got bots and leverage trades all up in there waiting to be grabbed. Hunt those stop losses and all of a sudden flip the, you know, sentiment of the market and just take over, right? And get rid of these pesky little yellow lines here. Anyways, what's the next thing in store for us? Okay, so if XRP, we go from 33 cents to over $1 and some change, oh my God, the community is going to be raving. XRP is back. It's pumping. Oh my God, we're here. And then what's market going to do? It's going to throw everyone off and go, oh my God, it's under $1. Oh no, it's a scam. What's going to happen? You test that trend line. If you can conquer, guys, if we as a community can conquer this trend line in itself, I do believe that double-digit XRP will be there for us. Because we're going to smack and break all-time high probably. Then what's going to happen? Oh my God, XRP's a scam. Oh no, it's crashing 50%. Headlines everywhere. XRP crashes 50% after breaking all-time high. Guys, right here, not saying this is exactly what's going to happen, but this is kind of my vision for XRP entering the next generation of price action and the next generation of gigantic amounts of liquidity that are needed to push all these banks, all these countries, all these central banks, all these corridors, all these businesses worldwide that Ripple is working with to truly make a level playing field of proper liquidity instead of the current modern day spider web of fiat currencies that causes nothing but issues with time and money. That's pretty much what I'm saying right here, guys. Maybe, okay, so maybe it doesn't go to $11 a coin. Okay, so what? Still, we could still get an all-time high break. Like, look at this formation right here. Double bottom, break previous high, pull back, confirm support, go for an absolute rally, everyone's euphoric, pulls back 30%, shakes everyone out, scams everyone. And then you got that nice trend line right there, which is essentially the only thing really stopping us from reaching all-time high XRP. You get the pullback, you confirm the trend line, we absolutely rock it from there. And then, you know what? Once XRP breaks all-time high, maybe it goes to 5, 11, 20, 30, I don't know. But once you break all-time high, you are in price discovery mode, which means literally fucking no one knows what's going to happen. When you come up to here and then you look left and it's never been here before. So that is where you are essentially creating history. Thank you guys for tuning in the video today. Really do appreciate it. Take a look at this one more time. This is what I see as the possibility of XRP this year, 2022. Thank you for tuning in the video today. I'll see you guys in the next one.